Hop into the 2021 Dodge Challenger. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Dodge Challenger, the monstrously powerful, unapologetically comfortable, driver-focused muscle car that positions you to lead the pack. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Experience the edginess of high performance with attitude in the Challenger. Take it out on the road today.